Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with MetLife Insurance. Review my US life and benefits experience. MetLife Insurance offers a range of life and benefits insurance products in the US, targeting individuals, families, and businesses. This review focuses on my experience with their life insurance and benefits packages as a US customer. Key features typically include term life insurance, whole life insurance, disability insurance, and sometimes dental and vision coverage. Their website provides details on their various plans and options. MetLife emphasizes financial strength and stability as a long-standing insurance provider. They also highlight the flexibility of their plans and the ability to customize coverage based on individual needs. While they don't advertise no contracts in the traditional sense, term life policies have a specific term length. Information on pricing is available through agents and online quote tools, although getting precise quotes often requires more personalized information. They are a large, established player in the insurance market, competing with companies like Prudential, New York Life, and Northwestern Mutual. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using MetLife for my life and benefits. Getting started involved contacting a MetLife representative who walked me through my needs and different plan options. This process was pretty straightforward, though gathering all the necessary personal information took a bit of time. Once my policy was in place, I accessed my account online through their website. Navigating the site was relatively easy. I could view my policy details, update beneficiary information, and manage payments. I also appreciated the resources available on the site, including articles and FAQs about different types of insurance. Performance-wise, everything worked as expected. Claims processing, for a minor dental claim, was efficient, and I received reimbursement promptly. The standout feature for me was the personalized advice I received from my agent during the initial consultation. It really helped me understand the different coverage options and choose the right plan for my situation. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app at the time I used the service. Having to use the website on my phone wasn't as convenient as a dedicated app would have been. It also took me a little while to get used to the layout of the online portal, but once I did, it was fine. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience with MetLife. While a mobile app would improve the user experience, the service generally met my needs and I felt confident in their reputation and stability. That's my overview of MetLife Insurance. Review my US life and benefits experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.